Hey guys, if you would like to reach board 101 in Monopoly Go, in today's video I'm going to show you some ways that you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your Monopoly Go application, get logged into your account, and as you can see that I'm just starting this game. But if you would like to reach board 101, you'll have to pass certain levels. As you can see, each levels has its own prizes, so you have to keep on playing, and then once you reach a certain level, you will get a lot of prizes, a lot of coins and gifts. And likewise, moving forward, once you explore this game fully, you will be able to reach board 101. Now the trick here is playing Monopoly Go constantly and simply winning a lot of prizes in order to reach higher board, let's say 101 for example. So guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.